The Samsung Galaxy S22 will probably be announced in 2022, and now that a number of leaks about this phone have been accumulating on the web now, Sam Mobile reports that the Samsung Galaxy S22 might not use an under-display camera. An insider from South Korea told Sam Mobile that this smartphone may not use an under-display camera system, or what is commonly called an under-display camera, which he said the photo quality produced was not good, and the production capacity for this technology might not be enough if sold in millions of units. This Samsung Galaxy S22. There are also reports that it is possible that this under-display camera will be on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 smartphone, like previous reports that the foldable outer display will still have a punch hole. Another leak about the Galaxy S22 is that the smartphone will have an upgrade to its periscope camera on its Ultra series, with a larger main camera and sensor shift stabilizer system, and also that Samsung next SoC may be the Exynos 2200, which will be equipped with an AMD GPU, which will of course be improved rendering performance. And in addition, according to reports from Sam Mobile, Samsung Galaxy S22 is expected to be available in two variants, so it may be equipped with an Exynos 2200 processor for the European market, while Snapdragon 895 equipped for some other markets.